Hey there, I'm in here. So today I discovered that our faucet is actually leaking because of the recent cold that happened. So there's a pipe freeze, and when I used to turn on the water, I think something must crack. So I'm going to replace this outdoor faucet. This is in the Pacific Northwest, so the faucet's a little bit different here. So anyway, first thing you need to do is turn off your water main and then go to the lowest point of the faucet and then start opening up the faucet, so drain this water inside the system. So once you do that, I open up the faucet here, I don't see anything, so that means the pipe is empty. So I can actually then remove the pipe, and it should not have any water in the system. Okay, so let's get started.
First, we need to remove 2 screws from the outside of the hydrant. Then let's go inside to disconnect the hydrant itself.
Okay, so let's remove this thing. That one. So it's that one over there. That's the pipe. So let me get some tools and we'll get started. All right, so let's see if I could open this sucker up. Just this. Still have some water coming out, even though, shoot, still have some water in the pipe. I got a bucket here, and we will go outside and replace the pipe. All right, get this out. So I need to remove this so I can attach a new one to it. Let's find the right length. This is too long. Yep, this is the right one. Alright, I got this connector off. So I'll put on the connector on the new one. I'll put some plumbing tape. Alright, and I'll put on this one, doesn't matter, same as a connector. Alright, and then we'll do the same thing. Alright, let's put this in there. Let's go inside and mount it up. All right, it looks like the water is almost all drained out. So same thing, we're gonna do it in reverse. We'll put on some new tape. I am not a plumber, by the way. So by no means, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you should hire a plumber. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is to turn on the water, and keeping my fingers crossed to see what happens. Alright, the water looks like it's coming out full. Oh, okay, turn it off. No leaks. Alright, so I am done with the inside, so now I'm going to put the screws back in and we are done. Let's do that. All right, so we just finished installing the hydrant outside, and it was pretty easy. I hate doing this stuff, but you know what? I also hate paying plumbers to do something that I can do myself. So anyway, here is the old hydrant, and oh, you can see the busted pipe there. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up, and also check out some of these other videos that I've done. Anyway, I will see you next time. Bye.